In today's video, we're going to be organizing my bedroom. And bedroom for me is the messiest place in my house. I like for everything else to look super organized, but then my bedroom, I kind of just don't have the same effort, and I just want to change that. I want to make this bedroom a sanctuary. Join me along this never-ending journey to get my room to where I want it to be. This corner right here is the bane of my existence. I have this IKEA desk that I brought from my parents' apartment. And I don't even use it that much, but what happens with this corner is that it just accumulates so much clutter. I'm gonna go ahead and move this elsewhere, and I'm thinking I'm gonna move it to my kitchenette. Now the question is, will I be able to move this thing to the kitchen by myself? It's a little heavy. My back. Ooh, some things you just need your husband for. I'm just gonna do it the way my mom does it. She moves furniture all by herself by putting cardboard underneath like the ends. So let me try to do that. Ooh. I feel like the Friends episode where he's like, pivot, pivot. I accidentally created something I love in this corner. Look at here. I added some final touches to the little kitchen office nook, and I love it. I added a little plant, my iPad, my devotional, and my prayer journal. This will be like my charging station / office area, so I'm really pleased with this area. I want to put in shelves, but honestly, I'm not going to overwhelm myself. I'm just going to enjoy it as it is and take one project at a time. This drawer right here, I really want to hide it. I don't know, I just feel like it's dark and it just creates like darkness and clutter in the room. So, and it just like compiles like stuff onto here. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it in my closet. Now my closet is already short on space, so it's definitely gonna make it shorter on space, but it's okay because I'm really trying to have a 10-item wardrobe. I wear the same things over and over again anyways, so I think this will help me and my ultimate goal of having a smaller wardrobe. This right here, I'm gonna empty out. I realize this is also a space that isn't utilized. I don't reach for anything in these bins, and this just stores paperwork, so I'm just gonna take it all out, and I'm gonna put my shoes in this area now so that I can have space to just tuck that in one corner. idea because I feel like this is too tall. I'm gonna move some of my most used shoes from this onto the empty space over there. That way I can pop this in there and some of these can be shorter. That way like my longer things can hang on this side. That's what the bottom of that closet looks like, and this is what the bottom of this closet looks like, and I'm really happy with it. Don't mind that. I'm gonna work on that at some point. I feel like the room looks just so much bigger now that this is not here. Really been wanting to change the bed sheets for quite some time now, but I just wanted to be a little more frugal. However, I think this is an investment. I do like having sheets for different seasons, so if that's 4 sets of sheets, that is the maximum that I'll have because I'm trying to be minimal. But also I think that doesn't mean that you can't have nice things or decorative things. It just means to try to keep them to a minimum. I love florals so much since forever. So I found these really pretty floral sheets and this cotton quilt at Target. Part of my minimal lifestyle is not keeping anything I don't love. So what I'm doing here is just putting the sheets over my bed. Not all the way, just kind of on top of everything to see how it looks. And if I don't love it once it's out the package, I will return it. But I did end up liking this, so I kept it. And I do like to wash my sheets. I feel like everybody does that. I hope you do. Now this throw blanket I put on my wedding registry and I'm finally getting to use it. I love it. It's so pretty. It's too close to the color of the quilt, but it's fine. I like it. I'm really trying my best here to fold my sheets like they do in the hotels by putting the loose sheet under the quilt and kind of folding it over. In the next videos, I want to just add like finishing touches to the room. Also finalize some organization in this bedroom, and maybe I can show you the systems that I create. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.